Hello everyone, BentlyK here. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. Today's video is a beauty break with Bentley video, and I am partnering with Skinstore.com again. I loved it last time, so I thought I'd do it again. This time their campaign is Get Your Glow On, I think, something like that. So that's what we're going to be doing. We're going to be getting our glow on. First, I'm going to show you the products that they sent me, and I'm going to tell you a little bit about them, and then you'll find out the rest later. So they did send me, let me start with this one. This is the one I got. This is a spray tan machine that you use at home. I'll have a picture of all the products and my code right up here. So, but this is a spray tan machine, and I can't wait to try it. I have been watching videos on YouTube. A lot of mixed reviews on this thing though. So let's keep our fingers crossed, because I've never had a spray tan before. This is it without the cord. And I've never gotten one before either. But I've been with my daughter when she got one. So that's something, right? And I watched a ton of videos on how to do it. So I'm going to do it. The only thing I have a complaint about, and it's not with Skinstore, it's with the MineTan people, is that it comes in the kit, it comes with the gun, and then it comes with a nice long cord, and a mitt. I don't know why they send a mitt. You're not supposed to need a mitt, but they did. And it comes with this how-to guide. So everything is here, and it comes with this sample. This is my problem. All the videos I have been watching say that for a full body, it takes about 2 to 2.5 ounces. This is 1.6 ounces. So it's like, what's going on, MineTan? You got to give me at least one full tan. So anyway, I'm going to try this out with this, because this is all I have. I asked when I picked out the stuff I wanted, I picked out the gun, and it came with this little thing, but I knew I had seen enough people to know the little sample looked pretty small. And so I kind of wanted to do me and my husband in case it was harder for me to do me. Then I could get him, I could do him and video it for you guys, maybe. I don't know if I'm going to be able to video any of it, because my shower, that's where I'm going to do it, is pretty dark and pretty small, so I'm not sure if you guys get to see me do it at all. But anyways, there's not enough stuff there. Anyways, I had asked for this and extra solution. Well, they sent me this, and then they sent me this ultraviolet that is a Gradual tan, the same thing they sent me last time, and the ultra dark, what is this called? It's not a Gradual tan, it's a instant express tan, which I liked this one. This one I haven't really tried because I just don't do Gradual tans. That's too much work. So I like this one, but you can't put it in the machine. This is a foam. So that's all I have is that little sample. So I'm going to have to order more solution. And I thought, well, you know what? I'm going to try this first, because if I have to order more solution, I don't know if I want this solution, right? So anyways, I'm only going to do my legs because I'm afraid I'll run out. And I don't want to be half done. So I'm going to do my legs. And then if I have extra, I'm going to do my arms. And then if I have extra, I'll do just on my face. And then if I have more, I'll do the rest of me, which I doubt I will. Anyway, that's what we're going to do. And I will show you as best I can. If I can't show you in the shower when I'm doing it, I will come back out and just like fake do it and show you how I did it. Because I have seen a lot of people on YouTube using this thing. Some of them hated it, said it was terrible. Others, they seem to love it fine. I'm really hoping that I'm a love it. So we're going to do that. And then I also asked for this, I don't know how to say this word though, Ameliorate Ameliorate lotion. I saw Lisa Fletcher 805 on Instagram. She was talking about this, and she said that she had asked her followers to recommend something, because I'm not sure what she wanted it for. I mean, she used it on her legs, and she said it was so great that she loved it, and so I wanted to try it, because I thought she said for crepe. I mean, for crepiness. And so I got it, and I love it too. And I just thought I would show you guys. And I also wanted you to know that this bottle, this is the exact bottle she had, and that's what I asked for from them, because I wanted to make sure I got the exact same thing. And this bottle, with my 25% off code, is $24.75. On Amazon, this exact bottle is $42 something, like 98. I couldn't believe it, because when she first said it, I looked it up on Amazon, and I'm like, $42 for lotion? I don't think so. And then when these guys asked me, I thought, I wonder if Skinstore has it. And I looked, and they did. So I got some, and I've only used it once, but it was great. It really was great. It is a transforming body lotion. And let me read you what it says. That's why I put these glasses on my head, so I could read you what it says about this. It says, transforming body lotion and intensely hydrates the upmost layers of your skin. Optimum levels of lactic acid, a naturally occurring alpha hydroxy acid, exfoliate and renew surface skin cells whilst drawing moisture to the skin. Hydrating sweet almond oil softens and protects the skin, enhancing its natural moisture barrier. Together with our unique LAH6 skin hydration complex, these powerful active ingredients replenish and increase moisture levels around the clock. This lightweight, easy absorbing lotion progressively refines improved skin texture and condition. Skin is left feeling softer, smoother, and healthier looking. Suitable for all skin types, suitable for children over 3 years old. So that's it. It kind of exfoliates. So I won't use this when I tan, just because I don't want to exfoliate off. But I know that the one time I use it, because I have on my shins, it's kind of dry. No matter how much lotion I put on it or anything, it's kind of dry and flaky looking. And when I used this, it didn't look flaky. It absorbed, and it stayed good. Stayed smooth and pretty. So I want to use it more, but I'm not going to use it while I'm tanning. I'm going to wait until the tan wears off, then I'm going to use it for a while, and then I'll re-spray tan once I get more juice. Okay, so I've talked about everything, I think. I've shown you the gun. I've shown you what it comes with. So I may show you if I can get lighting and stuff down there. I'm going to show you, oops, I was going to put a background up here of like the beach. I think that seems good for a tanning video, right? Get your glow on at the beach. So I will be back. I'm going to take before and after pictures too. So I definitely will be back after I do it. And if I get more footage, I'll just put it up here. I keep putting it the wrong way. I'm trying to lean this way so I have room to put clips up here. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm in the shower. I have my little instruction sheet right here. I have shorts on, so I'm going to just do my legs, and we'll see how that goes. I have this in case I need it, and then I have the mitt in case I need it. And I'm just going to set these down on my little stool over here. And I've got my solution right here on this part of the thing. Okay, I just did one leg. I thought I was recording, but I wasn't. So I guess I'll do the other one for you. This is what it looks like, the one I did. So it did pretty good. It looks like kind of, I don't know. The color I don't like, but I'm hoping that's just the stuff that lets you know where you sprayed it, because it's kind of gray. So anyways, I'm going to do this leg for you now. can't see this side of it. You basically just use it like you would a can of spray paint. And that's what you do when you get like too close. That's what seems to make the streaks on me, is when I get a little closer, because I get ahead of myself. Okay, so this is my final thoughts on the products. The spray tan machine. I think the machine is probably pretty good. It wasn't very good for me today, but I think there's just a learning curve to it, because like I said, I've never had a spray tan. I've never definitely done a spray tan. I've watched it once, but I watched a bunch of videos, so I thought I knew what I was doing. Anyway, I think that I can make the machine work. I don't really care for the solution that they sent me. So, and since they only sent me a little tiny bit, I will be buying probably not their solution, because for extra dark or ultra dark, it's not very dark. So I want something darker, so I'll probably get some other kind of solution for it. They don't sell the solution on Skinstore.com. They sell the kit like I got it, but that's why they didn't send me more solution. When I asked for more solution, they sent these instead, because they don't carry it. So anyway, like I said, I think the machine's going to work out fine. I think there's just a learning curve to it, and I just need to practice, and I need something that shows up a little better, a little darker. So I'm going to do that. And then, of course, you guys already know that I love this one. And I don't really care for the Gradual tan. I mean, I haven't used it because I want to spray on my tan, and I want it to last for at least a week. I only want to do it once a week. And then, of course, I think this is fantastic. This stuff, I have like skin discoloration on my legs, on my like shins and down by my ankle. Well, my whole calf and shin and everything. It's like, I don't know, it's spotty. It's not very dark. It's just barely different color, but it's like, it's almost like when you put tanning stuff on and then it starts to wear off, but it's got like, I don't know, it's crepey. That's what it is. It's crepey. Anyways, I have that, but even when I don't tan, and I haven't, it's not on there, it's not tan. So this is an exfoliator, and it is going to, and when I put it on, it was really good. You guys should definitely try it, and you should definitely not get it on Amazon, because it was way too expensive there. But with my code, 25% off, it makes it $24.75, I think. So it's cool. Anyways, I think that's it. I put in you saw me putting it on, and it didn't go on very well, but that's because I don't know how to do it. And it was kind of green looking, I think, but that's the solution too. So anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe before you leave if you haven't already. Follow me on Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram. I love you guys. I appreciate you guys so much. Check out Skinstore.com and use my 25% off code. And I'll see you in my next video. Stay cool.